Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to install MovieBox Pro on an Android TV step by step using the latest updated method. First, we make sure our Android TV is connected to the internet and that Install Unknown Apps is enabled. To do this, go to Settings, go to Device Preferences, and to Security and Restrictions. Then allow installations from our preferred browser or file manager. Next, we open the web browser on our Android TV. If we don't have one, we can install Downloader from the Play Store. Once it's installed, open Downloader and type in the official MovieBox Pro website URL. From there, we download the latest APK file for Android TV. Once downloaded, the system will prompt us to install it, so we just confirm. After installation, we open MovieBox Pro from the Apps menu. If prompted for permissions, we allow everything necessary for playback. Then, we sign in with our MovieBox Pro account or create one using a browser link or QR code. Once logged in, we'll see categories like trending, new releases, and TV shows. We can stream directly or download for offline use if our plan allows. That's it! MovieBox Pro is now fully installed and ready to use on our Android TV. This has been How to Learn Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.